The Delhi High Court has wrapped the Delhi police. The court asked why the top police officers in the city have been spared for their laxity in the Braveheart gang rape case. In fact, remember, a number of suspensions had taken place. Action had been taken against a few police officers because of dereliction of duty. The court asked the Delhi police today when it submitted its status report, why have you targeted only an ACP? What about the senior officers? What about people who were on duty? Associate Editor Atir Khan joins us for more. This is going to be extremely embarrassing for the Delhi police. They had at that time tried to come out and say, we did our job the best we could. The court didn't agree.
Well, that's right. The court was expecting a detailed report from Delhi police. However, that did not happen. Moreover, there were some contradictions in the bare facts which had been stated earlier. According to the police, there was only one PCR which was present at the crime scene. However, initially the reports were there were 3 PCRs. On this, the court had pulled up the Delhi police officers who were present there. They said the court observed that don't try to save the officers. And also it commented why only junior officers of the rank of ACP are being made responsible. What about the seniors? And also it expressed its displeasure on detailed report not being presented by Delhi police. Also there was a mention about the tinted glasses. The court said that they are not just bothered about one particular case. They are bothered about the enforcement of law and order in the city.
Absolutely.
They said, why is the tinted glasses order is not being enforced?
Absolutely. In fact, the court said it's not just acting after a crime has been committed. Why wasn't the crime stopped, prevented in the first place? But I want to ask you in detail about the number of PCR vans present at the spot. Did the police today tell the court in its status report that only one van was present? Because when the Braveheart's friend had spoken out and said that their rescue was delayed by several hours because of lack of PCR vans, the police had contradicted him at that time.
Well, that's right. That's an area of dispute. Now, there are various statements which have come forward, and we know that the victim's friend, who is himself a victim, had given a statement on which the Delhi police had contradicted. They said that there was prompt action on the part of Delhi police. There were PCR vans. However, in the court, surprisingly, they said only one PCR van was present who has rushed them to the hospital. So therefore, this has become, there are a number of contradictions in these statements.